Be still and know that I am God. Psalm 46 verse 10. Just like this water flows, God is moving, even when you cannot see it. In the silence, He is working. In the waiting, He is preparing you. Everything may not make sense now, but trust Him. He never fails. Blessed is the one who trusts in the Lord. Jeremiah 17 verse 7. Like a tree planted by the waters, you are growing, even when it's hidden. Stay rooted in God. You will not fall. Behold, I will do a new thing. Isaiah 43 verse 19. Even where things look impossible, God is still able. What you think is over, God is just beginning. The steps of a good man are ordered by the Lord. Psalm 37 verse 23. They that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Isaiah 40 verse 31. Wait on Him. This is your season.